Welcome to Crypto Training Camp, where rookies become blockchain ballers. I'm Coach Crypto, and today we're hitting the field with the top 40 terms every crypto rookie must know. Quick, sharp, and no nonsense. Let's warm up. 1. Blockchain. A digital playbook of transactions, secure, transparent, and unchangeable. 2. Bitcoin, BTC, the MVP of crypto. First, biggest, and still leading the scoreboard. 3. Ethereum, ETH. Not just money, it's programmable, like a smart offense in motion. 4. Altcoin, any crypto that isn't Bitcoin. Think of them as other players in the league. 5. Stablecoin, crypto that stays steady, like USD coin. No wild swings here. 6. Meme coins. They're crypto's trick shots. Flashy, risky, sometimes legendary. 7. Cold wallet, offline storage. The safest place to keep your crypto bench warmers. 8. Hot wallet, online storage. Fast, but less secure. Best for active players. 9. Seed phrase, the playbook to your crypto wallet. Lose it, lose the game. 10. Private key, the key to your locker. Lose it, and you lose the game. 11th. Public key, your jersey number. People can see it and send you crypto. 12th. Gas fees. The cost to run plays on the blockchain, especially on Ethereum. 13. Mining, like scouting for gold, verifying transactions for rewards. 14th. Staking. Lock your coins in the system, earn passive rewards, like earning interest. 15. TradFi, traditional finance. TradFi is the old school league, slow plays, tight rules. 16. DeFi, decentralized finance. A no-coach offense, no banks, no middlemen, just code and crypto. 17th. NFT, non-fungible token. A digital collectible, like a one-of-a-kind trading card on the blockchain. 18. Exchange, your crypto gym, where buying, selling, and trading happens. 19th. Smart contract, code that executes automatically, like an unbreakable playbook. 20. Satoshi, the smallest unit of Bitcoin, like pennies to the dollar. 21st. Token, a digital asset that represents value, use, or rights. 22nd. Fiat, old school money, like USD, EUR, not crypto. 23. Liquidity, how easily you can trade a coin without changing the price too much. 24th. HODL, crypto slang for hold on for dear life. Don't panic sell. 25th. FOMO, fear of missing out, drives impulsive buys when prices surge. 26th. FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, negative vibes that can tank a market. 27. Pump and dump, artificial hype followed by a price crash. Watch out for these plays. 28th. Market cap, total value of a crypto. Big cap means star player status. 29th. Bull market, when prices are running up, everything's scoring. 30. Bear market, when prices slump, time to train and stay tough. 31. A TH all-time high, when a coin hits its personal record, like a highlight reel moment. 32nd. Alt season, when non-Bitcoin cryptos shine, like role players stepping up. 33rd. DYOR, do your own research. Every good athlete studies film. You study charts and white papers. 34th. Node, a team player in the network, verifies and relays transactions. 35th. DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, a team run by code and community, not a coach or CEO. 36. Airdrop, free crypto rewards, like bonus points just for showing up. 37. Burning, destroying coins to reduce supply, makes the rest more valuable. 38. Yield farming, move your crypto to earn the best returns, like switching teams. 39th. Whale, a big player who can move the market with one trade. 40th. Rug pull, when developers bail and steal your funds, the ultimate betrayal. Solid work, rookie. You've just run drills on the top 40 crypto terms. Keep studying, keep training, and soon you'll be calling plays like a pro. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next scrimmage where we will talk about the different ways to invest in crypto.